आचार्य शंकराचार्य उपदेश सहस्री 1541-42 नौ अन्य ज्योतिषा कार्य रवेर आत्म प्रकाश ने स्वबोधान नौ अन्य बोधेच्छा बोधस्य आत्म प्रकाश ने no other light is required for the sun to reveal itself. Likewise, no other consciousness in addition to itself is needed to reveal consciousness. न तस्यैव अन्यतोपेक्षा स्वरूपम यस्य यद् भवेत् प्रकाश अंतर्दृश्यो न प्रकाशो हि अस्ति कश्चन. No other consciousness is needed to know that which is conscious by nature. Consciousness cannot be known by another consciousness because there is only one consciousness. Being of the nature of knowledge, one does not require another knowledge to be known. Verse 1543-44 says, व्यक्ति स्यात् प्रकाशस्य प्रकाशात्म समागमात् प्रकाशस्तु अर्क कार्य स्यात् इति मिथ्या बचो ही अतः. A non-shining object is revealed when illumined by something that shines. Non-shining object only reflects the light of a shining object which illumines it. Hence, it shines because of the sun is a false statement. It reflects the light is true one. यतो भूत्वा भवेत् यच्च तस्य तत् कार्यम ईशते स्वरूपत्वाद् भूत्वा न प्रकाशो जायते रवेः. If X did not exist before and arises from Y later on, then X is an effect of Y. But light is not an effect because light is the sun's nature. It was not non-existent earlier and then produced by the sun. Verse 1545-46 says, सत्ता मात्रे प्रकाशस्य कर्तादित्यादिर ईशते घटादि व्यक्तितो यद्वत् तद्वत् बोधात्मनि ईशिताम्. Being shining by nature, the sun etc. is considered an agent of illumination that reveals spots etc. The same is true for the self, which is conscious by nature and hence the knower. विलाद सर्पस्य निर्याणे सूर्यो यद्वत् प्रकाशतः प्रयत्नेन विना तद्वत् ज्ञातात्मा बोध रूपतः. When a snake leaves its hold, the sun reveals it effortlessly. In the same way, the self knows without any effort due to its nature as conscious. Verse 1547-48 says, दग्धैवम् उष्ण सत्तायाम् तद्वत् बोधात्मनि ईशिताम् सत्येव यद् उपाधौ तु ज्ञाते सर्व इवोत्थिते. Fire becomes an agent of burning by its mere presence. The same is true for the self as being an agent of knowing. The self is considered as a knower only due to the presence of adjuncts, just like the sun, which is called illuminator in the presence of a snake. ज्ञाता और यत्नोपि तद्वत् ज्ञाकर्ता भ्रामक बद् भवेत् स्वरूपेण स्वयं न आत्मा ज्ञेयो अज्ञेयो अथवा तथा. Without effort, self becomes a knower, so it also becomes a doer. Like a magnet, by nature, self itself is neither known nor unknown.